Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Mitsubishi Pajero Exceed, stock reference number 5354. The shape runs from the 5th month 2000 through to the 9th month 2006. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light, aftermarket ECB nudge bar with all fittings and LED driving light, left hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, tailgate appears to have no damage, spare wheel 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the rear seats.